Why did you not respond when she said, I love you?
Are you actually accusing me of something here? Like, I want to understand you.
But why did you not reply? She said, I love you. Why didn't you say it back?
My country people, this my girl, be that kind of woman we go dey jealous for real life. You know what I mean? When a girl is jealous, like even your own sister, when she's talking to you, her body will be doing her own kind. Like she'll be praying for you not to have a sister, as long as it's a girl. Hello. These two people, when you're watching them, they play their role like with emotions. You watching them will be feeling that emotions. Like they bring out their all, they bring out their best. They put life in every role where they give them. Seriously. They make you the wonder, is this movie? You be thinking, I've been thinking na real life something, no. That is the power of their acting skills. Like they can act for Africa. I give it to them. They are the screen couples. Perfect screen couples. Nobody can beat that. Seriously. See the way my girl just dey pretend. A person wey wan eat though, because say she don't see her man, she can dey pretend. They do shakara.
No dinner tonight.
Are you asking me?
Of course. Who should I be asking?
Maybe you should go ask the lady you were on the phone with earlier.
I'll go on romantic trips with your colleague, all in the name of work. I'm talking to you.
Let go of my hand.
Where are you going to?
Well, if you must know, I am going to Abuja for my company's annual conference.
Go and tell them you're not going.
And why should I do that?
Because I said so.
Who are you again?
Who am I? Where do you think you're going to? Huh? Where are you going to?
What sort of question is that? Of course I'm home. I'm going to my room.
This is no longer your home. I asked you not to take that trip with Austin, and you refused.
I had work to do, so I had to go.
Tell me, how is he in bed? Is he sweeter than I am? Did you guys shower together after you finished? Go ahead, deny it.
Bob.
Austin.
Listen.
I'm listening.
I just got back from the trip, and I am tired.
Where do you think you're going to? This marriage is over.
Oh, are you just waking up to that? Well, this marriage ended in...
Tell me a screen goddess and a perfect king, and I will show you Sonia Uche and Maurice. You can call me Maurice Adit. You can also call me Sonia Uche's lover. I don't joke with these two at all. If you're on my page, you understand better. See, Uche, Nancy, and family, I know they joke with them at all. Back to this matter, make we continue. Oh my guy, asigi, this marriage guinea over. See what happen. Now for better for worse, so no leave, no transfer. If una quarrel finish, make una enter inside. Tie bongi. Once una rest, una go start up the relationship again. No, it's over. Or if you're on my page and you're not asking me the title of this video, that means you're not supposed to be on this amiable page. Seriously, this is the movie you should be watching this night. This is a particular video you should be watching, grabbing your popcorn, watching this beautiful screen, goddess and the king that we have. This movie is very interesting. You can't afford to miss it or not to watch it. So click the link on my bio. You will see the title. It will take you to my YouTube channel. There I posted the title of this particular movie. It is seen on Uche Maurice TV. Yes, our superwoman is the producer, of this particular movie. Okay guys, stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. This is your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Ngwano, bye.